Hello my lovelies! Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week we drew the bouncy ball using these lines and the result of which was this lovely bouncy ball. Boing, 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 boing. All right, and I saw some of your work, but I'd love to see the rest of your work in the next time when I meet you. Today, we're going to draw a kite. So let's get started. First, we can draw a straight line going across again. As usual, we start with a straight line to help you not to be wobbly. Just try to draw your straight line. And then we're going to draw some slanted lines going like this. 1, 2, 3. And then going the other way. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Good. We did it. Then we're going to do some lines going up, down, and side to side. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you with me, boys and girls? Well done. The next thing I want you to draw is this curved line. I'm sure you're familiar with most of these lines. But in any case, we need these lines for what we're going to draw today. Good job. And then we're going to draw this circle. And draw it going all across your drawing book. Well done. Last two things, boys and girls, I'd like you to do is, if you do an X like that and draw 2 lines going down on the ends. Let's do it again. So we do an X like that and then draw 2 straight lines. An X, 2 straight lines. One more time, boys and girls. I know you can do it. X, 2 lines down. Well done. And then we're going to do a curvy line like this. There's no angles, no pointed ends. It's all curved. You did it. Well done. Now we're going to draw a kite, boys and girls. So let's start with the slant. Remember we were doing a slant that went like this. Let's make it a little bit bigger like that. And another slant going down like this. Good job. And we're going to draw a line going down and a line going across. You did it. Well done. Next thing I want you to draw is 2 circles. 1, 2. And a curved line going all the way down and around and up again. And then, boys and girls, I want you to draw a curly line going like this, like that, until you get off the page like that. And then on these lines, I want you to draw an X. So you may have to move your paper so that you can do your X properly. So you do an X like that, and then you connect the ends like that. Let's do it again. An X like this, and you connect the ends. X. All right, and doing another X like this, and one more like that. You can do as many as you wish. Actually, let's just do a few more, because this kite is a very fancy kite. That's right. As it's going further in the distance. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller, like so. Let's do a big one here, like this. Big X like that. Big one like that. That's it. So you make it big, medium and small. And there you have your kite. I can't wait to see when you've done your kite, and you can colour it in and share it with me when I next meet you in class. Bye-bye, boys and girls.